Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Do you have a CD player? Okay, even if you do have a CD player, do you have one as adorable as mine? This is my amazing retro looking CD player by Weeuus. Not only does it play CDs, it also has a radio connection, but it also has a Bluetooth connection. So I very easily can connect my Bluetooth headphones and jam out to my favorite CDs. But I also am able to even connect my phone and just play music from my phone. This speaker, yeah, it is small, but boy is it mighty. Listen to how amazing the sound is from this. It even has a remote control. So if I am like jamming out in the other room, which I definitely can because this little speaker is so amazing, I don't have to get up and change the song. I can be nice and lazy and comfortable and just use the remote. It is so straightforward and simple to use. Even connecting the Bluetooth just took a few seconds. And I was amazed at how fast the Bluetooth connection works with my headphones. The moment I turn my headphones off, boom, the CD is playing again on the CD player. So it is like lightning fast, super smooth, amazing sound quality. It even has a USB and aux connection on the side, so you can plug in headphones if you want. There are so many different options. This little CD player can do so many different things. So if you're looking for a great way to listen to your favorite CDs, I highly recommend checking out this CD player by Weeuus. I am so happy with it, and I think that you are going to have a lot of fun with it as well, but that's just my point of view.